Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need the right account and permissions first, so sign into Microsoft Teams and verify the webinar add-on is active. Once that's confirmed, open Calendar and choose New Webinar to begin. Invite presenters by email and attach the agenda. Make sure to assign roles now: organizer, presenter, attendee, because roles control permissions later. Also check camera, mic, and connection quality. Use wired Ethernet if you can. Since stable bandwidth, once done with invites, configure registration and event options so attendees see the right flow. Choose whether registration is required and set approval rules. Next, add title, description, and custom branding. Then enable Q&A and decide if chat is on or moderated. These choices shape attendee interaction. Make sure to schedule a rehearsal with presenters, upload slides to the meeting, and enable recording. Rehearsals reveal timing issues, and recording ensures you have a fallback if live delivery falters. On the day, start the webinar early and admit presenters 15 minutes ahead so you can do a final mic and screen check. During the event, monitor Q&A participant permissions, manage raised hands and record. This maintains control and produces a shareable asset. If audio or screen share fails, have presenters join by phone or use the Teams dial-in, and make a quick producer switch to another presenter. This keeps the session live while you resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.